Hello, Locke families, and welcome to our annual Title I Open House. We are so glad you were able to join us tonight. I'm Ms. Jaworski, the principal.
And I'm Mr. Rizzo, the assistant principal.
We want to remind our families that it's so important this time of year to set good routines at home. Please help us by ensuring your child is getting a good night's sleep, waking up in the morning to a breakfast. We do offer free breakfast here at Mittye Locke as well. Every child gets a free breakfast, so if they want to eat twice, that works too. But make sure they're getting a good night's sleep, eat a good breakfast every morning, and of course, don't forget to read a good book every night. You can read to your child or have your child read to you, but the more you read, the more proficient reader your child will become.
As we continue to battle COVID-19, every student must pass the self-screener that the district has created in order to come to school each day. To stay up to date on all things Locke, remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and to look on our website. And remember, together we soar.
Hello, and welcome to our annual Title I meeting. We are so grateful you are here. During our time together, you will learn the purpose of this meeting. We will explain our school's participation in the Title I program and the impact of you being engaged as a parent. Let's begin.
You might be asking yourself, why are we here? The Every Student Succeeds Act of 2015 requires that each Title I school hold an annual meeting of Title I parents for the purpose of informing you of your school's participation in Title I. We will be explaining the requirements of Title I and your rights as a parent to be involved.
So what does it mean to be a Title I school? Being a Title I school means receiving federal funding or Title I dollars to supplement the school's existing programs, such as technology, classroom materials, or additional personnel such as resource teachers.
It also means knowing the importance of parental engagement and your rights as a parent. This program is implemented school-wide and serves millions of children in elementary and secondary schools each year across the nation.
You, as a Title I parent, have the right to be involved in the Parent-Student-Teacher Compact and assist in developing a plan of how parents will be involved and how Title I dollars will be spent at this school. Research shows that when parents are involved in their child's education, the child excels academically.
You also have the right to be involved and request regular meetings to express your concern and opinions through monthly School Advisory Council or SAC meetings, and be provided information on your child's academic level of achievement on state assessments in reading, language arts, mathematics, and science. You can also request and receive information on your child's teacher's qualifications and be informed if your child is taught by a non-state certified teacher for 4 consecutive weeks or more.
Your involvement is key to your child's success. More specific information will be sent to you about fun activities that will be held throughout the year. Please contact your child's teacher to learn more about ways to become engaged. We can't do this without you, but together we will prepare students for college, careers, and life.